In this video, I'm going to reveal you how you can make $10,000 in a month just by doing the organic way. And if you want to learn how to do organic marketing, stay connected and watch the video till the end. Hey guys, what's up? This is Arjuman. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the complete funnel which will help you in making a high ticket commission through affiliate marketing. And the beauty is you have an opportunity to make a desired goal of either doing $2,000, $4,000, $10,000, or even $20,000. Let's get started. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps where you can just simplify this multiple income funnel. One is you will have to activate all the 4 income streams to get the maximum out of it, as multiple income funnel itself does the complete telling and selling for you. So this makes the system itself, which is really a wow system, right? Okay guys, so this is the first step. What you will do is you will have to activate all the income streams. Now let me just show you how to activate these income streams. When anybody comes through your link, this is the first page what they see. You enter your name and the email address, you get instant access. As soon as you're here, you come to this page, and in this page you will watch this video. Watch this video, and then later you will have to just pay $49 for the multiple income funnel. That's a monthly payment of $49 every single month, and you will be getting $20 if anybody is activating through your link. So you become an affiliate of this funnel, you activate the first income stream, and once you activate the first income stream, that's the multiple income funnel itself, and you pay $49, you generate an affiliate link and you start promoting. Okay, after you have done that, the second step is like you go and you join the Facebook group. Okay, now coming back to the second income stream is Easy One Up. Easy One Up is a complete digital marketing platform. Watch this video, understand how it works, because the videos are really good. And in the Easy One Up, like I said, it's a digital marketing platform. It starts from $25 with the elevation level, and it goes up to $2,500. That's the Vertex Live level. Well, if you are in the affiliate space and you want to earn the maximum from this, then it is always suggested to join at the Vertex Live level. So one is that you are not missing out on any commissions, and the second is that you get 100% commission. So when you join at the 2000 level, 2000 is directly paid to you as a sponsor, as you will be referring the person for this beautiful platform. And the second thing is like the company takes 500 as an admin charge. Okay, and there is also Vertex Pro. In case and only in case you are not able to afford the 2000, then you may sign up at $1,000 level as well, and of course the admin fee is also applicable. The best part is there are so many amazing trainings starting from the elevation level. I'm showing you right now, it has got awesome trainings. So when you sign up at the Vertex Live level, you will be having all the trainings. You will be having all the trainings which will help you in your complete journey, and this itself is a like a guide for you. Okay, and you also have an advantage of cashing out on 100% commission. Okay, and the icing on the cake is like I'm offering you a free coaching, which I'll explain to you in the step number 3 of the process. The third income stream is the TextBot. This TextBot AI Ava is a very very effective and a powerful text bot, where you will have the potential to reach out on the prospects and connect to them directly on their mobile. So it is a text bot which you can use it for SMS marketing, you can say. Okay, yeah, it is always proven that whenever we get an SMS on our phone, we open the SMS within 60 seconds, wherein it's not the same case with the emails, right? So this is how it is. And TextBot is just for $100. Activate it, because you never know who is there, who's purchasing from your link, and if they activate all four income streams, and if you are not active even in one of the income streams, you don't get any commission, right? So to cash out, to bank on the maximum commission, you will have to activate all your income stream. The fourth thing is traffic authority. Traffic authority is a traffic generation platform, same like solo ads, where you will be purchasing the clicks and you will be paying from, it starts from basic level to even diamond level. So the basic level starts at $240. So it is always suggested to activate the traffic authority as well, and get the reseller's license, because when you get the reseller's license, then what happens is, you will anybody who purchases or buys the traffic from your link, you get commission as well. So the best part is that this complete system does the telling and selling for you, and this complete system will simplify the process for you, and under one funnel you have an opportunity of earning anywhere between $2,200 to even up to $3,500, depending on what exactly the person who you have referred purchases. Okay, now moving back to the second step is promoting the link. Well, you can promote your affiliate link either with the organic way or with the paid way. What I always suggest is, if you have money, then you can do the paid ways. You can purchase traffic from traffic authority, and they will keep on sending the clicks on your link, and you can make money, you can do sales. If you have more time and you definitely want to learn the organic way, which is of course a very suggested way in the online space, then you can do organic marketing. Okay, and always follow the 80-20 rule, which means whatever you learn in the back end of the income stream number 2, you will implement it 80%. As soon as you learn, okay, go pause and implement. As soon as you learn watch one video, okay, pause, rewind, pause, implement, rewind, pause, implement. Hear it again and again, because repetition is very important in business. The more you repeat, the more you understand, the more you implement, is what is going to make you successful, guys. Okay, and the third thing is a very important part in my if you sign up through my affiliate link, is like, you will be getting a complete free support. You can have me as your coach, as your mentor, as as your friend, as your support system, because I will be guiding you, because I know and I have figured out that how difficult it is to perform alone, and to make your space in the affiliate to make your place in the affiliate space, if you don't have the support. So when that's the reason I don't want people to be lost. It's just not about being an affiliate. If you don't know how to go about it, if you don't have any guidance, if you don't have a roadmap, then anybody is going to be lost, and which I was also lost for a certain duration, but I learned my hard way. All right, so that's the reason I'm offering you with a free coaching. Once you join at the Vortex live level, that's $2,000 level, then there will be a free coaching for 2 whole months. And if you join at the Vortex Pro level, that's $1,000 level, then I'll offer a free coaching for 1 whole month. Okay, and I'll reveal you my secret traffic sources, the groups, and everything where I generate the traffic from. And there will be 2 calls per week where I'll be answering all your doubts, clarifying it, and answering the sessions by myself. Okay, and third is like, I will definitely, this I give it like maybe 10 stars for this. Messenger mastery training is very important. If people are messaging you, and you don't know how to talk to them, what to tell them, and when to even send your link, then it doesn't work, right? So you will be mastering the complete messenger conversational skills through my training. Okay, content writing is very important in the business. Either you write the content in the written form or you make a video or whatever, but your profile should be a complete transparent profile where anybody who clicks on your profile, who views your profile, have a clear idea about what exactly you do. And that will happen only through your content writing. There is a RVL formula which we follow, and I'm going to show you that as well. Okay, I'm going to coach you on that as well. And the fourth and the fifth thing is like, yeah, you get a Facebook profile funnel, and I'll tell you how to set up your Facebook profile, your Instagram profile, your LinkedIn profile, and all the profiles. So you are all set to start your online entrepreneur journey with me. All right, so this is my complete support system. So it's the 3-step which I have simplified it for you to be an affiliate of multiple income funnel and to start cashing out. Alright guys, I'm sure you have enjoyed this video, and now you know how you can simplify this complete process in just basic 3 simple steps which I have showed you right now. So what are you waiting for? Do check out the link in the description below. Sign up through my link and get part of my coaching program, which is going to be awesome. You will have a complete group support as well as an accountability, which definitely is lacking in the complete affiliate world. So do not worry about it. Just go sign up and activate all your 4 income streams. Send me a direct message on my Instagram or on my Facebook. Let me just confirm, and then we will have you started. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've liked my video, please do smash that like button. Comment down below what you have liked in this video and what's the best part, and do subscribe to my channel so you will be having updates as soon as we upload a new video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.